Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog at हमारा फ्लॉप हो रहा है पूरा प्लान इधर। हमको लगा है भूख, मैडम को जाना है। किधर जाना है?
खाने की
किधर?
किधर भी रेस्टोरेंट चल।
रेस्टोरेंट इधर कुछ नहीं मिलता है। So yes, early morning right now. The first thing is going to the grocery store. Aarti needs something, so that's what I'm doing right now. Let me go and get it. So yeah, this is the morning scene outside the hotel. The entire place looks pink because it's pink, man. That is why it is called the Pink City. Aarti wanted to roam around. That's the hotel on the left hand side, and this is the entire chalk. For now, let me go to the hotel and get Aarti ready. So yes, currently right now in the morning it's around 8:15. I am at the tattoo cafe right behind me. There's no one, literally no one. And Aarti wanted a peaceful photo of Hawa Mahal, and I'm going to click as much as she wants. No disturbance, nothing, but we're going to sit somewhere on top also and enjoy the view. Can you see this? Something. You can't see anything, right? So let me give you this view. That's how it looks. And not to forget, there's a fort right over there. And there's no crowd as of now much. There are tourists who's roaming around. Soon there will be a lot of crowd. Tourist place, so yes. This place, Tattoo Cafe, please do come. As quick as possible and imagine what kind of pictures I'm getting over here. Going down, go, and I'm still watching this view, and she has asked for some photographers to click pictures. Go for it. Yes, currently we have left from the beautiful place, did some lot of reels, and this is the view. Since that is done, we are going to Jal Mahal. Aarti wants to click more pictures, like her do an album. I don't know when it's going to come. My vlogs are going to come before that. Let's go. अगर सपना मैं नहीं करता हूँ पूरा हो जाएगा. So yes, we took a rickshaw because you want to go camel ride? मुकेश आएगा पीछे. बोलेगा मैडम कैमल मिल गया. आप कैसे आओगे? गाड़ी लेके? बस या ट्रेन? बराबर. So this is one of the place where Aarti wanted to come. You're not allowed to go down, but this is how it looks. There are fishes down.
The shooting of that movie.
Which movie? Which?
रानी मुखर्जी and शाहरुख खान.
Oh, this nice, right?
कळे खायचे ते.
15 महीने की बाउडी सर. स्टेप बाय स्टेप देख रहे हो सर. ये 118 सीढ़ी बाई सर. 118 सीढ़ी सर.
Okay.
अभी पानी देखो 70 फुट पानी सर इसमें.
Okay.
ये देखो ये सफेद वाइट वाइट देखो ना, यहाँ तक 100 फुट पानी है, 70 फुट पानी सर. और फुल हो जाए इस मंदिर में आता अंकेश महादेव मंदिर है सर।
ओके
5000 साल पुराना मंदिर है अंकेश महादेव मंदिर। सामने देखो ना बिहारी जी टेम्पल है सर।
ओके
कभी बिहारी जी उनका टेम्पल सर। 1000 साल पुरानी बावड़ी सर है। धड़क पिक्चर देखिए सर। धड़क पिक्चर का शूट है सर
वहाँ पे।
वहाँ पे। बुलबुल पिक्चर देखो राजपाल कानून मगर भी लगा है सामने से होता है।
ओके
दबंग 3 देखो यहाँ पे शूट है दबंग 3 के सर।
ये दबंग 3 का है। ओके
और ये पहली मूवी शूट
यहाँ का सब शूट है। इसके पीछे लेक सागर लेक।
इसके पीछे
हाँ 2 लेक सागर लेक। उसमें जमीन में इसके पानी आता है। ऑटोमेटिक पानी आता है जमीन में इसके पानी आता है सर।
जमीन से पानी आता है पूरा।
ऑटोमेटिक पानी आता है। इसमें इधर से आता है पानी से।
ये पूरा पीछे से।
ये
ओके
पूरे 12 किलोमीटर कवर है। सामने देखो ना पूरे 12 किलोमीटर कवर है सर। सामने बोस टावर देखो ना पहले सैनिक पैरा देते हैं सर।
वहाँ पे ऊपर।
हाँ ऊपर सर पूरे 12 किलोमीटर कवर है। आपकी फोटो लो सर।
यस
वर्ल्ड वाइड में फेमस है यहाँ का सांगानेरी प्रिंट बगरू प्रिंट जयपुर का।
कहाँ बबलू प्रिंट।
बगरू प्रिंट और सांगानेरी प्रिंट।
हाँ
नेट पे सर्च करोगे
हाँ
पूरे वर्ल्ड में यहीं से सप्लाई होता है।
यहाँ से सप्लाई।
यहीं बनता है यही चलता है। कपड़ा आता है सूरत वगैरह से
हाँ कपड़ा आएगा वहाँ से।
वगैरह जो प्रिंटिंग सारी चीज़ें यहीं एलिफेंट राइडिंग की नहीं की।
एलिफेंट हो चुका है। एलिफेंट घोड़ा वो सब हो गए।
एलिफेंट तो आप लोगों के वहाँ भी होगा।
हाँ यहाँ पे नहीं रोक सकते फोटो खींचने के लिए। कट जाएगा। हाँ
ये नहीं थी।
so yeah, this is the fort. It's like a 12-kilometer long wall, entire area. We are not going to the fort. We just went to that spot and we came. So for now, let's go to another spot. So yes, here we go. So there is Jal Mahal. I got to know that inside there is a dargah and also a temple. Since we have come now, it's there ducks around, lot of ducks. Come, चलो।
उनको जरा बोलना बैठो।
हाँ और कपड़ा लेके जाओ। कपड़ा ही है उसमें और कुछ नहीं। कपड़े ही है। हाँ वही ना कपड़े। इसलिए फोन निकाला जेब में डाल दिया बस।
कपड़े क्रीम पाउडर है।
हाँ आया मैडम का क्रीम पाउडर है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। Hey Karthi, wear it. You're getting dressed.
सोने की रानी है। कौन सी रानी है?
एक कमरेक। राजस्थानी हो गई आरती। आज सवेरे से हम लोग खाली फोटो ही खींच रहे हैं। Like the amount of pictures that we have clicked rather than enjoying. Yeah, we did enjoy the place and things like that. Let's see. Aarti is just clicking and just clicking. हाँ रुकिए उनका होने दीजिए ना। रुकिए 1 मिनट रुकिए। हाँ यस ते तकलर घालतलो तिथे ते। I remember Assam, yes.
चेन निकालो भी आप निकाल लिया तेरी तलवार निकाल ली एक ही पाली को चाली करनी खराब हो गई तेरी बारों आप भाग रहे हैं अंदर लग गया ना तो बोल रहा मैं सारों अंदर जाकर एक चीज नहीं आती यार बाकी सारी चीज आती है सेम पेंट है ना अपनी लोगों की है सेम मेरा बंद हो गया मेरा कलर क्या होगा पत्ते की वाला ना कलर पुरानी हो गई है हैं मेरे को तो कम 1 महीने भी जो है
इधर से दिख रहा है ना ये कवर नहीं होगा इधर से खुला है कवर दो पर
मैडम चलो बंद कर लो
बंजारन औरत को देखो किधर जा रही है पानी भरने जल महल में जल भरने जा रही है लुक नाइस मैन fabulous looking fabulous chalo I look like proper no this is how I look and soon they're gonna click pictures and things like that look very very different mustache and all no wow what are they doing let us click for our own picture we'll click our own picture I feel like yeah the lights are off as of now and there are many rooms so this is our room without the key hunting for the key मुझे थोड़ा मिल जाएगा थोड़ा चाबी कहाँ गुम हुआ रे ऐसा किधर ऐसा यमान okay let me see yes the first thing I've come to Jantar Mantar and I've taken a tour guide and here we go
ये मैडम इधर देखिए
Auntie here you know to
ये 1 घंटा 1 घंटे के 4 से
15 मिनट
15 मिनट
15 मिनट के 3 से 5 मिनट के 5 से 1 मिनट के 3 से 20 सेकंड तक का टाइम बताती सूर्य घड़ी
धूप से चलती है
आइए आपको तारा दिखेगा
ओ
मैडम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं पोलर
स्टार नॉर्थ स्टार
ये उत्तर दिशा
नॉर्थ
दक्षिण है पश्चिम है
हाँ
मैडम देख लिया क्या आपने पहाड़ पे नाहरगढ़ किला है बीच में जयगढ़ किला है
हाँ
नीचे आमेर किला मंदिर
हाँ
ये राम यंत्र है सामने
ये वाला सामने
पीले रंग में भगवान राम के नाम से
ओके
सन का एल्टीट्यूड बताता है
altitude so yes you have taken the tickets it is given no description of everything you don't require tour guides once that is there So yes, there are kids. Let's go inside. We have come inside, and yes, Raja do stay over here. He's just 27 years old. This is how it looks. The palace. Okay, Arti, do you know what is the after this is second thing where you can see on any side, on this side or that side, this side, it looks the same. This is second thing. So yeah, for now we'll just take a tour over here, roam around. Yes. So yes, there's an exhibition inside that usually happens all throughout the time. Oh Arti, you can take from here a few things. So we're gonna take some few art paintings and things like that, souvenirs inside the palace. A lot of things to see. Yes, this is how it looks. You must be remembering a lot of things over here. What was shot, Great Indian Weddings and whatnot, movies I have been watching on the television. Here I'm watching everything. It looks so beautiful. Must come now. The time in some time we might go to eat food, but see the colors. We all are over here watching this thing. The only thing that everybody's gonna miss over here is that 5,000 wala room which is on top over here, which is like 5,000 per person. That is the 5,000 wala room.
There it is, no?
That. So yeah, for now we'll just roam around, click more pictures, and hungry. Now since we are over here, this is the main place where you can see the doors, the different type of doors here. Right behind me is where the king stays. Beautiful doors, trust me. So we just had our lunch and now we are going to Albert Museum with this nice chalo. Where are we? We have reached at the Albert Museum. It's on the road, the last thing, and there are more other places on the other side. But for now, let us cross the road and let's go inside. So this is the inside part of the museum. It looks so good and lovely. There are a lot of things, like a lot of things inside. It's good time to spend around, but I feel like you should come over here without the kids. Just coming without the kids is the good thing. So these are Mummy Prophet. Oh wow, that's good. They have made nest. There are few things that people are not taking any interest, like this detailed structure, and not to forget this detailed structure. What to scare when you can see a real mummy. I am with a mummy only. Chalta firta mummy. Yo, this is the X-ray of it. How it is inside, Arti. Read now. You'll come to know.
नमस्कार नमस्ते नमस्ते। तो मैम हमारे को सेल्फी करके डिलीवरी सब लोग खुशी से नाम देते हैं कितना।
बनाने कहते हैं
किनारे रे थोड़ा
Remember, Shivam have an incident that is going to miss the flight. That was about to happen. One sec. So where were we? Shivam was about to miss his flight. Same thing was about to happen for us. Next thing we're reaching wherever it is somewhere. Let me see. Look at me. In one hand cup of coffee. Behind Aarti, I am holding a bag. Crazy. Let me reach Goa and let me talk about it. Maka Ishan's reaction go pagda. What Ishan is going to react? Where is Ishan? How to see Ishan what? Hi Ishan. Open the door पे एक गाल बता. Hi Babu. What's up? Yo. Hi Ira Didi. Hi Ishan. How are you? ते गियारा खातला अपना. Hey Ira Didis. Hi Ira Didi. Can you put a seat belt and sit properly otherwise? Yeah, you're there. Nice. What? So we reached home. What is that?
Chocolate.
They gave you from the bash. Okay, let me go on top, get freshen up. Fine. So yes, since we have reached home, let me just tell you what exactly happened. So you must have seen we had did what we finished. We had finished City Palace. We ate food, and we had a little bit of time, like extra time of 1 hour buffer. So Aarti wanted to buy sweets, so we came to buy sweets to one place. Nice, you must have seen. Nice. So it took around half an hour over there. From there we had to walk again to another place where we thought is portable, good to buy stuffs. So we bought things over there. It went nearly an hour. We had our flight at around 7:40, and we know Indigos are much before on time, so that's one thing. So we thought what to do. We bought the things and we were done. We had to leave by 5:30, but we left around 6:15 from the premises, just hurrying up, just getting late. I could not vlog because battery was low and something had to push in one bag made from. We went with one bag, we came with 2 full bags, a lot of luggage. As and how we were going, there were traffic, but luckily there was a point where all signals were green, and we reached in half an hour. There was a time where we gave the, what was that noise? So we gave the bag at the counter of the Indigo, thinking that it'll get work done, and we gave the luggage. We were done. We had to rush because in 15 minutes the flight was getting boarding and we could have to miss the flight. We pushed as quick as possible to the counter. Check-in gate was done, and then we asked like which way to go, pushing, like running basically, as hustling around. Like second floor, got in. There were like 5-6 of them. We got in, and it's just like they were just waiting for us. Took back, flew, and rest what had happened. But yeah, for now, since we have reached, I am just doing one big thing: washing clothes, all the clothes. Like just this bag was just one. There's another bag over here too, and but yeah, it was great fun. Anything that you want to know, ask me down, I'll let you know. But yeah, anyways guys, you have a nice day. Just want to say good night and ciao.